Hello, I'm Dennis Quaid. Advancements in technology have revolutionized the way we conduct business. Today, the quest for faster and more efficient mediums is leading to even greater technological advancements, as we're about to discover.
Manufacturing is woven into the fabric of the American economy. For generations, the strength of our nation has rested on our factory floors, with the workers and the machines they operate. And given the uncertain times our nation is currently navigating through, it is more important than ever that these machines run reliably, consistently, and accurately.
Industry 4.0 is the interconnected factory. Every single individual in your entire facility has access to all the information. Years ago, people on the shop floor had a silo of information. The people in CAM had a silo of information. Now we've broken down all of those walls. To bring a shop floor into the digital age is no small task, but it's easily accomplishable with a great partner. It takes a lot of new people, a lot of new education, and a lot of open-mindedness to be able to create an interconnected factory. The tool presetter is literally the hub for all the information in your entire manufacturing facility, not just shop floor environment, but also office environment as well, connecting to your ERP system, your tooling systems, your machines, and connecting all the people together in one.
Since 1948, the United States and much of the world has found itself in the midst of an industrial revolution. Today, that industrialization is moving towards the digital and automated realms.
We go out and try to understand what our customers need and how we can do things and provide solutions is to try to make the investments that our customers are making in metal forming, metal cutting more efficient. Our job is to surround that equipment and help them to manage the shop floor process, manage the tooling process, and manage everything so that they can take those millions of dollars of investments they make and make sure that they get the best return on investment that they can get.
When 1 micron equal to 1/70th of a human hair makes a world of difference, tools need to be exact, which is why hundreds of worldwide manufacturing companies are now reaping the benefits of innovations in tool presetting.
We've seen 30% improvements in our cycle times, increased feeds and speeds.
Our R&D in the development that we are doing will help in the digital age move our customers from where they're at today to where they need to be tomorrow. The tool measuring and management solutions is that integral part to take that $1 million investment that our customers make and make it very productive.
Tool presetting and measuring advances like these may help maximize productivity for manufacturing processes around the world.
We're glad you could join us today. I'm Dennis Quaid. See you next time.